Hello everyone, welcome to Fueled by Acrylics. I'm Mona. So you can see I'm all dressed up. From today, I've decided that I'll show snippets of my life. So as it's puja, I thought I'll show you around. So let's see how everything goes. Okay, so I'm showing you around this place. And that's my house. It's all decked up. So as you can see, this is my Durga Puja and it's in my house actually. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and comment your thoughts down below. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Oh, Sharadiyo Shubhecha.